There are other seats in the House of Assembly for people who are not elected representatives. The Clerk of the House sits here. The Clerk advises the Speaker, ministers and members around parliamentary procedure and looks after the administration of the House. The Deputy Clerk and Sergeant-at-Arms take turns at sitting here. The Deputy Clerk supports the Clerk and assists the committees of the House of Assembly. The Sergeant-at-Arms role comes from old parliamentary traditions. The tradition was that the Sergeant-at-Arms kept order in the lower house. The Sergeant-at-Arms protected the Speaker and carried the mace. The mace is the symbol of the Speaker's authority in Parliament, and historically the mace was used as a weapon to keep order. These days, the Sergeant-at-Arms still carries the mace as a symbol of the Speaker's authority, but also provides services to members and visitors of Parliament and manages security. Staff of the Office of Parliamentary Counsel sit over here. Parliamentary Counsel are specialist lawyers who write laws. They work on changes, called amendments, to bills when they are being considered in the chamber. The table officers sit on this side of the chamber. They assist the clerk and the deputy clerk. There are press galleries for print and radio media and reporters from Hansard who sit up here, where they record the members' speeches. There is also a public gallery where anyone can come and watch Parliament while it is sitting.